Imagine having the power of a full creative studio, the power to craft breathtaking images, dynamic videos, and entire world visual with a single idea. Now, imagine being able to do all of it for free. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll be unveiling one of the most underrated tools in the AI world, Grok AI, and how you can use it to generate cinematic videos and ultra-realistic images without spending a dime. In a few minutes, I'll show you how to unveil this app and how to command it to the right prompts and turn simple words into visuals that look like they came straight from a movie set. If you're someone who wants to take your imagination further than ever before, this is your moment. Take a deep breath. The world of free AI creativity is about to open right in front of you. Let's step into it together. Type in Grok AI on your browser. Grok AI. That is the app. Yes, this one. When you click on it, it's going to bring you to this interface. Click on Create Images. Now, this is the Grok AI interface. Then you are going to paste in your prompt. I generated my prompt using ChatGPT. I gave ChatGPT my idea. Then I asked it to generate a prompt relating to that idea. When it's done, it was done generating the prompt. I copied it and brought it here. Then I pasted where you see your typing your text. You see that you type in your text or you paste your prompt. Prompt here. Let me do some editing of the prompts. Now, when you click here, this is aspect ratio, the aspect ratio you want the video to appear in or the image. So you select this option for video. Select this option for video, this option for video. If you want it to be an image, then you click on this upload icon to upload your prompt. And your prompt, when you are preparing your prompt, make sure your prompt carries the command, what you want the image to do, and the motion you want it to exhibit. All these things are part of the things that will that will cause the AI to produce a beautiful image or video. Then you click on this upload icon to upload your prompt or command. Give it a few seconds to generate. It's generating. We're going to give it a few seconds to generate. This here shows that it's generating. Here too, we're seeing generating. And this is seconds it's taking generate. Time is taking to generate. Now this video is ready. But then there are various, you scroll through, you see various options of the video that has been generated. These are various options. So you scroll through and select the option that best suits your imagination, the one that is closer to what you want, the outcome you're expecting or what you imagined. So you select and choose the one that best suits it. Then, assuming this is the one you selected, let's assume this is the one you selected. We are playing it to see what it looks like. Then you click on this upload, this download icon to download it. You can also give it a heart. So I'm going to scroll through to select the one that best suits my imagination. I think this best suits my imagination, so I'm going to select this one. Give us a thumbs up if you found this video helpful. Don't also forget to leave a comment for us and subscribe to our channel. See you on our next video. Bye bye.